Hello everyone, this is Nishaya from Bath Adda. Every time on YouTube you guys have seen me making some colorful soaps. But no, this time I'm not going to make any kind of soap. Today, after a long time when I arrived to my workshop, I thought of doing some sanitizing and cleaning in my workplace. So here comes the mold. Oh god, I'm a little crazy for molds and since 3 to 4 years I've been collecting them. Maximum I have are the silicone molds from tiniest to the biggest required in soap. I don't only do soap making because I make resin arts and kid soaps, chocolates and so on. So I have all kind of silicone molds that you can think of. I bet I have few which you cannot even think of. So let's see what I have in my collection and let's explore before I keep them after sanitizing and cleaning the place. Let's see. So here we start with the smallest ones. These are some. I cannot show you each and every, but I have all kind of molds. This is a column mold. These are some resin art mold in which you can make pendants and jewelry kind of thing. These are small heart molds, and this is penguin and all those stuff. I have unicorn horns. Let me show you. These are two unicorn horns. These are the big ones, and I guess I even have the smaller ones. These are the small ears. They are actually, you have to use it this way if you can get me. Yeah. And these are small cookie molds. Then this is half eaten chocolate and then Oreo. These are small donut molds that I have, tiny donuts. Then again there are some kids shoe that we have. Then we have this. These are also used in cakes. If in case you are a baker, you will find these things with a baker as well. Then comes this box, wherein again there are various kind of molds. Oh god, I'm not going to name them because then it would be a very huge video. These are, I'm still supposed to clean them and sanitize them and then again keep them. This is a small baby lying on his stomach. That mold it is. Then these are some alphabet molds. These are some molds with kind of small tree inside it. Then these are number molds. Again alphabet. These are some fruit molds. Different kind of fruits, if you can make out. Then this is small mold. This is angel. Then this is a star kind of. This is a baby cap, woolen cap and baby face. These are small heart-shaped cupcakes. And what else? These are hearts again. I guess I have many heart-shaped molds. So after the small ones, let's get started to a little bigger ones. So here are small flower molds that you can see. Here is the Doraemon, cutie Doraemon. Then there is heart mold. Then there are these molds which you can even hang. These are small flowers with all different 4 flowers. These are cute butterflies. These are small butterflies. These are small cupcakes. These are used as massage bars. Soaps are made in that particular way. These are heart molds. And these are normal square. This is a half kg cake soap mold. I have 3 of these different sizes. one of 1 kg, half kg and 250 grams. I know somewhere they are lying. These are molds, slab molds. These are again, oops, I don't need this. These are again molds. This is I got from a friend who came from US. So she brought me a gift of Crafter's Choice. These are small flower molds. These are again cupcake with different sizes. This was the small one, medium kind. These are the bigger ones. There's one more, somewhere it is. These are again slab molds of different size. This one has design here, and again there are two. So I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 3 more, in which there are soaps. This is half kg, and this is I guess 1 kg. This is from Safez. She's from Bangalore. She also has a good collection of molds. And again, these are molds which I have taken from different places. Actually, all these molds that you see, some are taken from, I started all this when I first went to Hong Kong, and there the craze of collecting molds got into me. So again, yeah, this is donut mold. This is Mickey Mouse. Mickey Mouse faces are dirty. And this is for Christmas, if you can see. These are huts, if you can see. Yeah, this is pastries mold, which I got it from Pune. And this is again a cupcake. These are molds for kids. These are chocolate bar kind of, not too big, not too small. Then what else I have? I have snowman, Santa Claus, everything. These are small square size. This sheet is for donuts. If the bakers will agree with, the bakers will understand this better than what we all do, though I have not used it even once. And so these are flowers. These are Halloween molds, eggshell, big butterflies. We had seen the smaller one. Here it is. If you can see this way, oops. If I don't keep on them, then see so many molds I have. Bapre. Then after butterfly, I even have these bells and Christmas trees. One more Christmas tree I had, I don't remember where it is. These are Simbas. These are again small molds. These are same size, 2 molds I have. Okay, no, these are different. These are little different. Oh god, Peg, whatever they are called. Sorry to say, but half of the names I don't even know. This is again for the Christmas that we have. These are square molds. These are ice cream molds. Then these are cars. These are my favorite. Even my kids love these molds. And when I do exhibitions, I do a hand-on class for kids for Melton Paws soap. And in that, kids like this mold a lot, and this one. Oh, they go crazy with these dinosaurs. And even my own kids, they both go crazy with the dinosaur molds. These are again heart molds. These are honeybee. Then these are small round cupcakes, you can say, or you can say mini cakes, you can say this mold. This is again different kind of mold. This is a flat soap. This is again a flower. This. So if you can see, I have so many molds, and still I have more molds. I don't know where they are lying. They are lying somewhere, because I had 4 to 5 collection of cupcakes, and the resin art, I have more molds. I don't know where they are lying, but yes, I'm going to search them and show you all, guys. Till then, this is my collection of molds. If you guys like it, do drop a comment, put some suggestions if you have. If you know how they can be cleaned quickly, please let me know. And if you want to see my other collections like soap making accessories, jars, mugs, I have many different kind of. You can drop down a message and I'll make a video for you guys showing what all I use and I have. Yes, if you are a little crazy just like me collecting molds, you can do that. I have so many of them and still there are many more to come. I'll search other ambient molds and bring to you. Just give me a moment. Here's the another box which was missing. This is a loaf mold and these are small ambient molds which I use for making ambates or sample soaps, and these are for written gifts. These are for car molds. I guess I have two. One was this, the big one, the big car. These were the big cars, almost 100 grams around, and these are little smaller ones. This is heart. I also have a smiley, various smileys. So after this ambient molds, I guess I forgot, I have many heart molds. See this, and these are Christmas bells and stars. And what else I have? These are shoes and handbags, fans. These are small ships. And what else? These are for kids. Don't ask me what exactly it is. And bas. So this is my small collection, and still I feel there is something which is missing in this. If in case I get them, I'll add that video up to in this. Till then, bye bye, take care. Do drop some suggestions or appreciations or anything that you want to see. Thank you.